收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變，
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell!
！Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後邊人，過嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the next? Do you see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Shit! Run! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! They're on us! Come on! I hate this! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! You're not getting me! What's with these guys? Oh my god! Son of a bitch!
Get out！ 唔好喐！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！走啦！呢個帶你。
Shit！你已經被包圍。
警察，咪喐！
哇！
我哋而家要拘捕你。
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，而且成為呈堂證供。你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？唔掂咁樣出嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
It is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
So what the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it. Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yi is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wei Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yi had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
你識行寫？好啊，我期待你。
Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
呢條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
留咗位未啊？睇下你有冇命出去！你冇㗎啦你！你有冇打啊？
Kidding me?
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
死撚緊啊！佢點走？睇住你啊！
你老母啊！斬佢啊！嗰邊啊！我打大力啲！你唔使驚佢走先啦！睇下你有冇命行出去！收佢皮啦！屌！先啦！點啊
Come on. Fuck you.
你咁好大鑊啊！打到未啊？點啊？好撚雞啊！乜嘢啊？開拖咯！
Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
我一槍打爆你個頭，等你痛快啲。
What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Oh! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day, Jama. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢啊
Winston,
I don't like this cocky little fucker. Oh, wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊?
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with dog guys. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎. Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊. So, 10 guys, huh? You fearless? Or just crazy?
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him. What do you guys think? Sucks, right?
You like that?
望乜撚嘢啊？屌你老母啊！睇你呢個傻閪！望乜撚嘢啊？喂，做乜撚嘢啊你？冚家鏟你老味！撞撚咗啦！你個柒頭！
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can
You
fight?
like that?
I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him. What do you guys think?
How about that? That all you got?
Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it.
You gonna back down? Come on, fight back! Why didn't you get out of here? Huh? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Shit.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Hong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. Used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell me?
Serve it up.
I put in more noodles just for you.
No, you?
Shit, Wade. This is the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, man! You want noodles?
Big toast, need a soup?
CDs, all the best CDs here.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, man, hey, come get a load. Hey, CDs, all the best CDs here.
Hey, Veggie! You want...
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Hey, hey!
Need anything? Just come ask.
Deal for you. You want good clothes for less? I got special deals. Hey, big man, you want some noodles?
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off.
Sounds good.
Please come again.
100蚊3件，買都買嚟。
At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
呢度咩款都有啊！
You wanna do the top?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
I will pay.
睇啱邊款拎俾大家試下。
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
發貨俾我，最怕你錯過。呢度咩款都有啊！
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through his...
嚟啦嚟啦，唔買都買
We
你。
work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These jerks are moving in on your territory. Show 'em what you're made of.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there.
You look like you could use a...
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf. You don't fuck with anyone under our protection. Tell Dog Eyes his market belongs to Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
All the best brand names.
And we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely. It's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. Judge you by how you look.
I got all the best brands.
Yeah, I got clothes. Want some clothes? Sure, why not? Let me ring that up for you. Only a crazy man would turn that down. Let me ring that up for you. Call me if you need further help
get back
with your
to Winston.
wardrobe.
Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice cream.
That was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
Hey, Mancho, hey, what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard Dog Eyes are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, you want movies? You want music? You want games? I got everything, man.
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Is the new guy around?
You know who this great guy is?
lunch.
Thanks.
Deal? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Gatan is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No， 唔好要我講第二次啊！你講開流啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食咪多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢㗎！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！
唔識尊重人，又從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊有人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我，鬼唔望你死啊！
你認衰晒你嗰代人啊！
我哋冇時間俾你咁 hea 啊！
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you. Hey, sexy man, you want anything you need?
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! Out of my way! Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Coming through!
He needs to be killed! Fucking bitch! Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out!丢你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong Somebody fucking kill him, please! Dog Guy's gonna kill you! Fuck Dog Guys! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Guys doesn't kill me.
Ah, fuck! Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Steady now. What the fuck? Easy now. Keep it together.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that. And the water still hasn't...
Rosa told me that the things between Winston and Dog Eyes are pretty nuts.
Always the same. You don't trust me. Then a new fuse.
They're both killed? Then maybe we'll stop having to pay protection money.
Cut all the worm's head. Another one will grow back. You see.
You have a car in here?
Experience the ultimate in luxurious hair, beauty, and weight loss programs at Color Star Beauty Salon and Weight Loss. Our spray tanning and deep tissue massage is a must. Call and book an appointment today. Color Star.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of Jiu Mei?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody? Oh, shit!
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
Cop.
Come and get me!
俾乜你死橙！
睇下你有冇命行出去。哇！死啦！打爆你！俾啲你！ Yeah, get him! Get him! That's right! Let's go! 打佢個撚樣！喂，屌鳩啊！我打極都唔死啊！呢條撚樣好嘢啊
There's more of them!
頂佢啊！哇！哇！屌啊！頂佢啊！哇！個地盤仲唔係我哋嘅？過嚟乜拉？知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？專踢小飛啊！個地盤仲唔係我哋嘅，兄弟，好撚嘢！
你個柒頭，仲有得搞兩食啊！捉佢一程啊！
俾乜你死橙！
整撚定你今日冇運行啊！捉佢啊！
There's more of them!
How you like that, huh? How you like that?
We're taking off with the goods! Go, 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 man!
现，总是在想要放弃，快失去之前，有没有发现它出现？总是在想要放弃，快失去之前，一秒失败，一秒。Oh shit！
搞乜撚嘢 ？What are you doing? That's not what we want. Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's rated Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Oh shit!
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. Clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, guy, but he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Ah! Then.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
Oh, man, I got it under control. So, Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.